shouldn't have been chewing gum while I was filming this. But what's up, you guys? It's JKA Osen. This is my first time vlogging since February, so sorry if I'm looking pretty rusty. But you're always looking rusty, bud. Shut up. We're getting ready to get to the airport to get to San Antonio. So some more travel vlogs are finally on the way. There's also gonna be a Philly vlog, a Las Vegas vlog, Joshua Tree vlog, and a Cleveland vlog. So God, early morning voice cracks, that's the worst. Yeah, so stay tuned, there's gonna be more vlogs coming. Finally. My gosh, I know people have been asking, wondering where I've been. So here I am. Alright guys, so I just found out this morning it wasn't a straight shot to San Antonio. We're currently stopped here in Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah, right now, what are we doing right now, Sydney? What are we doing? Getting food? Alright. Cam, what sounds good?
I don't know.
She was hating on Auntie Anne's.
I don't like it.
Alright guys, we officially landed in San Antonio. Right now, we're about to go get our bags from baggage claim. Probably gonna get a rental car. Sydney, how dare you? How dare you be hating on the half-baked Crocs?
Did you get a picture of her? You got a picture of her? What you got?
Oh, I'm just recording her right now.
Are you recording people?
Right.
Hi. Am I on camera right now?
Yes, you are. But Sydney, what was that about the half-baked Crocs? Are you hating on them?
I was not hating on them. I would never do that.
No, you said something along the lines of... No, Sydney, you said something along the lines of, that's what you get for wearing these Crocs. I was like, what's wrong with wearing the Crocs? Like, what?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, Sydney is showing me what she got from Dollywood. I'm gonna let you guys guess what animal it is, and the first one to actually comment it right, I don't know what the wager should be. What should the wager be, Sydney, if they guess it right?
Your dad.
What?
Your dad.
Okay. You having fun?
I am.
Having fun with Daisy?
Sure. Easy. Dave.
Cam is really out of creep on me and Sydney.
What do you say?
You need to get a life. But yeah, Cam, these are cannabis leaves on my Crocs. You got a problem with that?
No, I don't. Not at all. I was just curious as to why you are supporting the legal weed corporation.
I mean medicinal. Yeah.
I'm glad you agree. It is ginormous. It's a big pickup truck. I feel like we're.
I don't think Daisy moved off your head once, Sydney.
She hasn't. Daisy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Is the
sir.
gas full?
I can jam out with Daisy.
No, Cam. No, Cam. No. This isn't about you, Cam.
Yes.
This is not about you.
Hey, wowzers. This shit's incredible. Hold on, I can jam out with Daisy
Guys,
on my
please,
head.
no. Guys, I haven't been to San Antonio since I was 11 years old, and it's looking pretty similar from when the last time I was here. It's still humongous, bunch of nice red bridges and all that.
Then merge onto US 281
nice.
South.
How's hoping?
You guys cool? What's going on?
I was asking Cam, could he have broken his leg?
That was really mean, Cam. You know that? You're a mean person. You're a mean person. Just throwing Daisy around like that. It's messed up. Cam, that is animal abuse. That is animal abuse, Cam. We do not endorse that on this channel. Now you apologize. Apologize, Cam.
Wow.
Alright, you guys, we made it to the hotel and yo, this place is huge. It's humongous. Not super humongous. I mean, I've seen bigger hotels, but still, it looks very nice. Very, very intriguing. Alright, you guys, we're finally getting out of the hotel today. It's nice and sunny. A nice view. Nice view out today. Sydney. Where are you looking forward most to today?
Good question. I don't even know what we're doing today. So. What are we what?
I was asking Sydney where is she most looking forward to today?
Oh, okay.
So of course, you know, we're gonna go find some nice skate spots. Maybe go to an actual skate park for sure. Go to the zoo, check out the Alamo. I don't think we're gonna do all those today, but you know, just something to look forward to. And now we're currently walking on the river walk.
Strolling along the way. We're currently strolling.
currently strolling along river walk right now.
He does look toy. With like just like his mama.
Yeah. That was perfect. That was perfect.
Look, Sydney. They're caged at the zoo. Ah! Okay, y'all gonna have to see that in here. I'm attracting the squirrel.
Sydney, no.
Look at it. Look at it. Staring at me.
This is actually nuts. Get it? Nuts.
Okay.
You guys, the benches are actually locked. Like, this is literally what some people do at Lowe's. Like, this is crazy. Just so they don't steal the benches.
You got one.
This is like a mini street sweeper, I think. That's what it looks like. If you know what this is, leave it in the comments. Santa, you can't be too far behind us. You don't want to be like Evan. Get lost in San Antonio.
Did he get lost in San Antonio?
No, he got lost in Atlanta.
Oh.
Yeah. There's Evan across the street. I'm carrying everything. Literally carrying everything. This man cannot make it across the street in time. This is embarrassing. Yes! Oh yeah, this is the hotel that we're staying at. Let's go. I skated. The skate park that I'm at right now is 24 minutes away from my hotel. Holy shit. Like, this is... Yo. It was wild. It was wild, man. That totally counted. Alright guys, as I'm attempting this trick, I'm going to tell you a little story of how I got to this skate park. So the skate park that I'm at in this clip is Rosedale Skate Park. It's on the west side of San Antonio. And I was staying in downtown San Antonio at Embassy Suites. And the skate park is 3.5 miles away from where I was staying. So that was a 24-minute skate. As you can tell, I was super tired. And you see where I'm standing right there? I literally would have to like do a run up from the grass onto the board and then all the way onto this platform right here, just like that. But as soon as I all the way on top of it, I would just slow down because I was really trying to just all the way onto the platform and then ollie down the quarter. And that little corner, it's built on like a slight little incline, so it was also just really hard because I would set up the board and then the board would just roll into the grass and I would just have to set it up all over again. So this trick was just super time consuming, and I don't know. It looked super dope on Google, but when I actually got there, it was just because this is actually built more as like a BMX park, and it was like I was expecting a little bit better, but you know, no harm, no foul. Will I skate this park again? Probably. You know, I wouldn't be super hyped on it, but I would definitely come back to this park for sure. And just skating to the skate park was also kind of sketch because there was a lot of stray dogs, and of course there was a copious amount of homeless people, which really made me tear up a little bit. So you know, it was sad, scary journey to that skate park. But no, all the homeless people were just chilling, and so were the dogs, except the German Shepherd that wanted to eat me, even though he was behind the gate. And also those two little chihuahuas that nearly tried to bite my feet off. But besides that, it was a chill, nice journey to the park, so yeah. But the area that I was at was Guadalupe, so if you know, you know. It was honestly really chill, just don't go looking for any trouble there. Alright, just gotta focus here. Alright, you guys, me and Cindy are out looking for where to go for breakfast. I think we're gonna go to Buns across the street here. Aren't you excited? Mm-hmm. She's never excited about anything.
I'm done with joy.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, this is actually a burger shop. Let's see, handcrafted. Handcrafted burgers, stuff like that. I thought they would have had like at least some kind of like sausages, like sausage patties or something. I don't know, like little sausage biscuits maybe. But it doesn't open till 11 a.m. So I guess we're just gonna keep on walking. It says it's now serving breakfast, but I don't know. I guess it's more like a brunch thing. Alright guys, they're open for breakfast. Oh my gosh, alright, where are we gonna get? We got a lot of amazing stuff here. Let's see, of course, you know me, being the pescatarian, I'm gonna have to go with the Buns Deluxe crab cake. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Something else. Definitely gonna need those. To the order. Let's see. What are you getting, Sydney? Oh, nice. You gotta get with the avocado.
I'm not getting avocado.
You wanna get avocado?
No.
What you got against avocado?
No.
What you got against avocado, Sydney? Come on, let's mess up. It's good for you. It's good for the heart. You know that?
Don't care.
This is what I'm talking about, guys. She's so soulless.
That's nice.
Alright, you guys, don't mind the mess, but we just got back from Buns. I got a crab cake Buns Deluxe. Oh my goodness. And of course, a churro shake. It's literally like a straw is inside the churro. That is genius. That is so genius. And then the customer service was just amazing. Like, I haven't even tried the sandwich. They're already selling me on this, so right now we're about to try this sandwich. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Taking the first bite. Oh my god.
It's good, Jarvis.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Wow. I was low-key expecting the egg to be a little bit more yolky. But nonetheless, this is, oh my gosh. It is immaculate.
Is it everything you hoped for?
You guys, if you're ever in San Antonio, go check out Buns. You won't be disappointed. He did say there was gonna be egg yolk, but I just wasn't expecting for like when it was gonna come. It was like towards the middle. It didn't really come out till I got to the middle of the sandwich, but it's gonna add that extra flavor, man. It's crazy. All right, you guys, we're currently just playing around with Daisy. I don't know what's going on, but we're just tossing this little around, Sydney. I don't understand the point of it, really. Apparently the horse is flying by itself, but yeah, sure, that was animal abuse. We do not endorse this on this channel. Mom, that was animal abuse. We do not endorse this on this channel.
When we were downtown?
Anyone who drops Daisy has just committed anyone who's dropped Daisy has just committed animal abuse.
Yeah.
That's it, guys. I'm canceled. Alright, guys, we're currently on the way to San Antonio Zoo. What animals are you guys excited to see?
I'm excited to see
Alright, Cam's taking too long. Sydney, what animal are you excited to see?
anything I can feed.
I wouldn't trust that. I feel like she'll poison the animals.
Send me give it a go.
Alright, Cam, are you ready?
I'm ready. Out of her mouth.
the left 2 lanes.
Ready to see what, Cam?
Whoa. Why is it?
That was kind of dope. Cam just told me that she needs to get tinted windows for her car, but I was like, where are they gonna be looking at, Cam?
They have the same
Cam,
age distance.
really, you have no idea who Jack Hanna is? Cam, we grew up together.
Show me.
We grew up together, guys.
Maybe show me a picture.
they're safe to eat.
Oh, what's that thing in the back? It could be. I can get it to come to me. Oh, it's so sweet.
Emu, emu, and I see the kangaroo as well. Kangaroo's just chilling. Right here we got the green mamba. Got the African rock python just chilling. Just chilling right here.
Those eyes. Why are his eyes
It's just
so
looking right at me.
beady? Looks like the dog across the street.
So we saw just about every animal in the zoo. Sorry we could not find the meerkats. So we have found Pumbaa, but sadly not found Timon. So yeah. Guys, this is the Alamo, you guys. This is actually sick.
In the line with us, we have the Mexican soldier. They would actually be loading from 11-6, but into the end of the same spot. So.
Alright, I'm sorry, you guys. That was just like the little reenactment presentation thing, but this is the real Alamo right here. Just gotta keep walking past this tree here. Get a really nice view of it. Of course, we're in Texas, so we gotta get a little bit of horse action right here. It's big boy right here, big boy. This is sick. It's like a sick little sky trail thing. Yo, big Cowboys fans out here in San Antonio, man. It's crazy. Margaritaville, shout out Evan. Alright, you guys, we just left Yard House. Of course I didn't film it because, you know, I had to spend some time with the fans, quality time. Oh my gosh, look at this. Huge. Right now we're here at the Lego store. Right now I'm about to run up a check right now. I just got paid today. So right now I'm looking at the London architecture Lego set. And you know what? Just get in touch with my sensitive side, you know? Oh my gosh, do I go with the sunflower or daffodils?
Daffodils.
Daffodils? I may have to go with the daffodils. may have
These are things I can have set up in my room. These things I can have set up in my room.
to. For sure, for sure. Let's see, so this is like a nice $55. That's not bad. Yeah, so for the London set,
Oh, it's
and for the daffodils, yeah. Alright, right now we also got the Vespa. Yeah, I can. I'm gonna need a little bit of assistance. Can you hold the Vespa, or actually, what? Can you hold the architecture and then hold the daffodils? Well, thank you. Yeah, got the Vespas on. I can't wait to get back to the room, and then my mom's gonna be all like, "What are you doing with all these Lego sets? You are 22 years old."
Jarvis got these too.
I'm
I don't want to get them.
I'm like, what? Lego's for everybody. It's for everybody, for real. And I was planning on getting the botanical set. I didn't know what I was gonna get though. Like the roses look super dope, but I was like, let's go with the daffodil. And you know what I'm saying? Because I was like, the roses is a little bit generic, so yeah. I of course went with the daffodils and the Vespa set and the London architecture set as well. So yeah. No, it wasn't too bad. It was a good $73. So right, where are we gonna do now, guys?
I think we're going back to the hotel.
We're back to the hotel. Of course it's a weird door. And of course, get out, go get some more skate clips, and we'll figure out the rest of the day for sure. So stay tuned. Well, it was like a ridiculous amount of birds at the zoo. Like when I make this, I'm sure the montage is just gonna come out. It's just gonna be a bunch of birds. You know something that I realized, guys? That little bird right there, that used to be a dinosaur. How crazy is that? Alright guys, this is the end. This is our last night in San Antonio. Cam, is there anything you want to say? Hey, what? What are you reaching in my pocket for? What's up?
What's in your pocket, Jarvis?
My wallet?
Your other pocket.
My phone?
Your back pockets.
Oh my gosh, there's nothing even in my back pockets. What? Cam, is there anything you want to say before you just harass me like this? Like what?
Don't smoke, guys. Don't smoke, guys. Don't show the mess that is our living space.
They already know the mess. Look, they already saw the mess when I did the food review. They know what's up. Cindy, is there anything that you want to say?
Don't smoke.
That's it?
Don't smoke weed. Have cocaine instead.
Alright, on that case, we're out.